Sometimes it's fun to add some temporary color to your hair. Today I'm going to use paint pens on my friend Bo. Bo does have blonde hair, but this approach works on any hair color. Paint pens can be a little bit messy, so I do recommend to cover yourself with a towel. That way you can wash the towel and you don't have to worry about your clothes. Although paint pens will wash out of hair right away. So you only need to use a nice cleansing shampoo, and it is a temporary color. It'll only last until you wash your hair. So I'm gonna use an ombre technique, and I'm only gonna apply a little bit of color on the ends. And for Bo, we've decided to use this blue color here. So using a paddle, I'm just gonna take Bo's hair and I'm gonna place it on top where I want the color to go. And then I can just apply. And the paddle's just a nice surface to get all the paint on because I can always wash it off afterwards. So I'm just gonna continue up the head, and I'm taking like fairly large sections, but enough that I can distribute the paint across evenly. So this would be an alternative to using chalk or a marker, because the vibrancy of a paint, like I said before, will work on any hair color. Now you do want this to dry because it will transfer, and once it's fully dry, it shouldn't transfer too much, but I would still be careful. So I'm just applying a little bit of blue to the tips of Bo's hair. And then when I come in on the side, just making sure to place the hair on the paddle and then come in on a diagonal. As I work to the top, the paddle will also keep me from getting product on the hair that I don't want it to get on. And so with Bo's hair, I'm gonna actually leave this area here, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit through the sides. With the paint pen, when it's wet, you can still manipulate the hair, but as soon as it dries, it's gonna have a sticky hold similar to hairspray. So it is important that you have the hair styled in the way that you wanna have before you really start to apply the product, because if I do try to say comb through, it's gonna pull on Bo's hair. But there you have it. This is the paint pen look that I feel like I'm glad that I've showed you all so that you can have a lot of fun with it.